If you are looking for a great second monitor, you are absolutely going to love this ARZOPA. I love this thing. I use it all the time. I work at cafes. I'm always on the go. So having a second monitor is absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you exactly what comes inside the box, how quickly it is to set up. So let's get into it. If you are looking for a portable monitor or a gaming monitor, you are absolutely going to love this. I'm going to show you how to set this up. I absolutely love this brand. So this is exactly how it's going to come. So you're going to open this up right here. This is going to be the screen. It's about 16.1 inches. And then it comes with all the cables. You're literally going to just take one of these cables, put it into the monitor, and then connect it to your monitor. No power source needed. So I'm going to do that for you and show you all my favorite features. All right, so this is 16.1 inches. This is what it looks like unplugged. It has a nice little kickstand here. This could just be folded in as well if you want. I work cafes all the time, so this is perfect for me. I used to have something similar, but I used to have to put a water bottle behind it. So this is going to be the cable. I have a Mac right here. So you're just going to put this right into there, just like that. And then you'll see right away it's going to start to display the screen, which is nice. This is not plugged into anything or anything like this, which is really, really great. So now you have this right here, and that's your second screen. It is super clear, looks absolutely amazing. And then literally, if you wanted to take this and bring it over here, literally you just have to like drag over there. I'm doing this with my left hand, so it's going a little slower, but it works perfectly. It's super, super fast. Love this for just working and doing stuff on the computer. Love that kickstand. And it also comes with this carrying case as well. So you could just put this in there. So if you're looking for a great second monitor that you could travel with easily, work at cafes, or just for gaming purposes, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.